I am Professor M.V. Malkanawar, Department of Physics, Government First Grade Women's College, Jamkandi. Today we have to discuss BSc first semester Physics, that is Unit 4, Angular Motions and Elements of Satellite Motion. In that Unit 4, we have to discuss Session 27, that is expression for escape velocity of a satellite. Now you know what is satellite. Solar system consists of objects called planets which are revolving around the sun. Earth is a planet revolving around the sun. The other objects moving around the planets are called satellites. Moon is revolving around the earth is called natural satellite of the earth. Artificial satellite. Any man-made body is made to move around the planet, that is earth, is called artificial satellite. Now we have to see the definition of escape velocity. When a satellite is projected vertically with some velocity, it comes back after reaching a certain height to the earth. This is because of gravitational pull of the earth on the satellite. If a satellite is projected with such a velocity, it never comes back. That is, it is free from gravitational attraction. Such a velocity is called escape velocity. Now, see the expression for escape velocity. Derivation of expression for escape velocity. In the diagram, Earth having radius r and mass m is shown. P and Q are the points above the surface of the earth. P is a point at a height x above the surface of the earth. Q is a point at a distance dx from the point P. Consider a body of mass m placed at a point P at a distance x from the surface of the earth. Let the mass of the earth be m and radius of the earth be r. Then gravitational force acting on the body of mass m is F equals to g into capital M into small m divided by x square. Take it as equation 1. If the body is displaced through a small distance dx, then the work done is given by small distance dx, that is from P to Q. Then the work done is given by dw equals to gmm by x square into dx. Work done equals to force into displacement. We get equation 2. But total work done in moving the body from the surface of the earth to infinite distance is obtained by integrating equation 2 between the limits x equals to capital R to x equals to infinity. Therefore, integration dw equals to integration r to infinity gmm by x square dx. Integration dw equals to take gmm constant outside the integral sign. Then integration r to infinity x to the power minus 2 dx. Left side we get w. Right side g capital M small m constant, take it outside. Integration of minus x to the power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1. That is w equals to gmm x to the power minus 1 divided by minus 1 r to infinity. Finally, we get work done equals to Gmm by capital R. This is known as potential energy at infinite distance. If V is the initial velocity required for the body to reach the infinite distance, then potential energy equal to kinetic energy. Potential energy Gmm by R if equal to 1 by 2 mv square, then V is known as escape velocity. Then V square equals to 2 gm by capital R. V equals to 2 gm by R root, which is the expression for escape velocity. But G equals to gm by R square. Gm by R equals to small g capital R. Therefore, V equals to 2gr root. Equation 2 as well as equation 3. V escape velocity is given by 2 gm by capital R in terms of universal gravitational constant and mass of the earth and radius of the earth. Escape velocity is also given by root 2 gr, where g is the acceleration due to gravity, r is the radius of the earth. If we substitute g equals to 9.8 meter per second and radius of the earth as 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 meter, then we get escape velocity as 11.2 kilometer per second. For the earth, the escape velocity is 11.2 kilometer per second. But we know V naught, that is orbital velocity of the earth, is root gr. Therefore, escape velocity in terms of orbital velocity can be written as V equals to root 2 V naught. Escape velocity is independent of mass of the projectile as well as the angle of projection. Thank you to one and all.